Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. So as we get into the trading week, we're hearing that American Express have joined the Revolt that Visa and Mastercard already did a few days ago by boycotting and suspending all operations in Russia due to the invasion that is happening at the moment. But Russian banks did play down this significant move, saying that it won't affect the economy that much. So basically, Russian people will be able to use their cards up until the expiry date, but they will not be renewed, and foreign travelers will not be able to access their cards in the country, and also Russian people that are living in different countries will not be able to use their cards either in the countries that they're staying. So very, very significant moves in the market, as Visa and Mastercard in particular have seen a dive since the news was released, which we'll take a look at shortly. But if you think about it, Visa and Mastercard do represent 90% of credit and debit payments in the world outside of China. So we'll see how much of an impact this will be in the markets going forward. So we take a look on Visa first of all today. As you can see, it wasn't having a great year anyway. Year to year, this is dropping quite significantly. We did have a bit of a push to the upside on this, let's say, third wave of an impulse. But as we're looking now, we're falling lower, and more significantly, we have lost and slipped through the net of the last bottom, and now we're touching it a little bit more. So we'll see if that's going to have any significance in the near term. As you can see on the RSI, very, very oversold there, giving an indication that the reading is not great and the bias is still on the downside. I'm just looking for any kind of divergences at the moment on the near term. If I just zoom it in, as you can see here, looking at this double bottom, we did actually pierce this previous line, but prices did manage to stay above. But as the market will open shortly, we'll see if there's going to be another move to the downside, or there could in fact be a possible correction and another push higher. As you can see from the chart, using the Ichimoku indicator, we're looking very far away. So we'll put it back onto the 4-hour chart, which will give more impetus and direction. So as you can see here, this leg to the downside has broken the previous levels, and now we've moved through this. The next area of support, as you can see here, is roughly about the 190 region, and that will give me a very good indication if prices are going to stay lower, and putting in these sell positions as well to gain advantage of these opportunities. So as I said, the Russian invasion at the moment is very, very fundamental driven. We've seen a lot of companies, especially oil companies and the gold commodity, really reflecting what's going on, and now we're seeing more on the companies that are boycotting Russia as well. So just keep an eye on the next round of fundamentals and headlines that are coming out, because this will be very, very important for your stock trading, if you are trading stocks, of course. So at the moment, I'm just waiting for a little bit of retracement, signs of a pickup around the 200 mark. Very, very good psychological zone, and then we'll see if we're going to have another leg to the upside there. So it's very, very exciting news, let's say, for trading. But as we look on Mastercard as well, same significance on the trading here. We're looking for another leg lower. The only difference is with Mastercard, we haven't pierced or touched the recent bottoms that we saw at the back end of 2021. So just looking for that, for another move lower. If it does pierce again, then we'll be looking to see if it's going to start moving lower, a little bit like Visa as well. Again, very, very oversold on the RSI. So just looking for a little bit of a pickup and possibly a move back to the Ichimoku cloud area. This would be a good indication. However, we're looking on the 4-hour chart as well, like we did on Visa. We're just seeing another possible retracement and another leg higher. This will give us a good impetus to see if prices are going to start pulling back and moving higher. But as I said, the news is very, very fundamental driven, so just keep an eye on these headlines and the next companies that could join this revolt against Russia. We'll see if that's going to play into any of the traders and investors' hands, as these opportunities can come thick and fast in this time of uncertainty in a lot of the stocks. So that's all from the Market Watch today. Feel free to add any comments on the YouTube video, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Speak soon. Bye for now.